Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's July 16th coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to look at Profit Engine, and this is another trading platform that is looking at earning you funds. It is using a token, and we'll get into the little details around that. Now, a little bit of background on Profit Engine. They are the former Y5 crypto, Y5 token that's been around in the space for a little over a year and a half. They've rebranded and moved away from some of their other properties and things that they did have. They did have a DEX that they pulled down. They've just gone to decentralized algorithm trading at this current point and released a new token called Fuel. So what do you do? They have a few things that you can do. Profit Engine, let's take a look at what they've been doing. Anyways, the performance on their token, which trades, they have a liquidity pool which they pulled from their old token and actually use that for trading, and they're creating a liquidity pool for the new token. It's not being traded at the present time, but you can get in on an airdrop right now. So with the performance, they currently, have been trading. Back in February, they started releasing tokens about a month ago, and old Y5 holders actually got tokens airdropped to them. So you can purchase at this time, but you have to get in. It's not sold a pancake swap yet, and they're going to be getting into selling and buying those tokens in a little bit. But they are performing very well. They're looking to get an average of 4.8 per month. So it's not a get rich scheme or pump and dump. But they do have some your trading income that is involved, and then you can get an increase in tokens. So the liquidity pool for trading is separate from the token liquidity pool. But anyways, let's get into, they do have a few other things. So what they do have is I've talked about the crypto arbitrage, which they have the pools, and that's the one that the token is involved in, or you hold the token and you automatically get into this pool. So there's no action required by the holder. You just get paid weekly amounts. So you do need to have $100 in value in the token, which equates to 40,000 tokens right now. So if the price fluctuates, you probably don't want to be right at that minimum, but just be aware that you do need $100 in minimum investment BUSD. It's on the Binance Smart Chain, so get into that. And going forward on that one, they do have also the other part is FX Nitro, which is working to forex trading. So you need to get in on $250 for that and connect your MT, M4 or 5 accounts, and that's a separate setup. I'm going to talk more about the crypto arbitrage right now and moving forward on what they have in that. So they have their pools, and that's what I've been showing you here on the performance. So you just need to buy the token, get in, and move forward on that one. So let's cover a little bit more on what they want to do here. So like I say, they've been around for about a year and a half. The token that's going forward that you can they want to move forward with copy trading, compounding, and they have a few ideas that's going forward. But the fuel token itself has a total supply of 1 billion. They have 365 million have been burned, and the circulating supply is 364 million. So they created a team wallet of 50 million, and they also have a treasury wallet, which is going to be going forward. As they said, they sold like 10% of the supply at 0.002 per token, and they're going to launch it at a 0.0025. And there's some ideas on how they're going to launch, and they're going to come up with that this week. But it's not active. You have to actually just airdrop it on the wallet and whatnot. So current holder allocation is about half that supply, 320 million tokens. So basically, if you want to get into it, you just go up here, purchase fuel on their website, and you can get in. You can see here they added an additional 5%. The current token price is 0.0025, so a quarter of a penny. You have to send your tokens to this wall here. This is the BUSD address. This is the token address down below, or well, actually they removed that because people have been sending it. Oh, there's just slow to pop in. But here's the token address down here. Don't send your BUSD to that wallet. This upper one is here, and they have 5% of the supply right now that is available. So if you want to get in on this one, like I say, you can turn your money over week over week. You get paid. I've been reinvesting my income. Some people posted kind of what's your returns right now. Well, they take a certain percentage of the funds that they're doing from their own trading account, and they're topping up the trading pool right now for crypto. So their first month has gone over $10,000. So what the hell? Where's my little video here? So they have actually some videos what they're going to do. They made $10,000 this past week. So again, for the token, there's no buy, no sell tax, so you can get in there. There's no transferring cost to the wallet. Liquidity is backed in stablecoin. They're talking as well as moving this liquidity pool when they earn some funds over to the east side as well. So right now you earn BUSD, and they possibly use some ERC20 tokens as well in the future. But right now it's just on the Binance network, so you just use BUSD as rewards. and their algorithmic trading is going forward. So, it's looking good, and they've been fairly strong. So this one I'm excited for. It is newer. It's been going for about 4 weeks on the trading side, live where we could actually see it, and they back tested it since February because like I said, these guys have been around since about 18 months now with the Y5 token. So Profit Engine is one to look at. If you're interested, get to their website, and you can get to their socials from there. They do have a Telegram and there's a Discord as well. It's the same as the old Wi-Fi ones. They just rebranded them. But get on that one and take a look if you're looking at getting some passive income and you want some month-over-month returns, and you can go forward. Here's their projections. If you have $10,000, I definitely don't. I got a much smaller bag than that, less than 10%. But if you keep your returns going based on their 4.8% that they're trying to attain, which they've done much better than that. Their first month is 10.2%. Somebody posted, so that they're basically doubled that, which I don't expect them to continue to do. But at 5% a month, you could turn $1,000 into $16,000, or $100 into $1,660. So if you scale that down, if your bag size is definitely, I don't have a $10,000 investment to put into this, but this one is good. Or you can take out some of those returns and spend them, and keep that profit generating into other areas, or pulling it out for things in your life. As always, if you like and my content, please like and subscribe, and look forward to talking to you later. And also remember, not financial advice. This is just another solid project that I think I'm bringing you some information on. So do your own research on this one, and looking forward to talking to you again. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.